Justice. Them dead when we bust this.
People don't frighten me, Dopey don't frighten me, you know. Dopey can't frighten me because Satan know me by name. So me say, hey, me no come here so fi idle, and me no come here so fi dancehall title.
Yo, justice. Justice for President to blood clot, because you finally meet a justice fan to blood clot, which part me there. The man said justice are the best blood clot sound man, as a Jamaican sound man. Justice have the most mixtape them and the best them. Anytime him want to listen to a mix man, YouTube or any mix SoundCloud, if it's not a justice mix, him not listen to it. He say, blood clot, you serious? I say, which justice? He say, from Florida. I say, you ever go to Florida? No. So where you know justice from? My youth, you don't know justice? I say, yes, me know justice. So you don't listen to justice statement? I say, nah, I'm not listening to the justice, Bridget. Fuck me, I listen to justice for. I may play music. The man say, you're an idiot. You need to start listening to justice. A man play one old justice, they would sound like Bob Marley, Jacob, one old school thing. No mixing up. Justice just play this song and justice the president and chip in the next song. Yeah, man, you don't hear that mix. You don't hear it. Yeah, man, take up for justice so till, boy, justice, if me never know you, I start take up for you too. If me never know, say a lie, I tell. And you kind of lie, I tell us so funny for what. In a real life, brother, because we up in our white district, and a bridge, you know, I mean, they run a player, a mixed justice in those player, like you know, look up reggae music, you know, old school or something shit him look up. And it a play me justice the president. I say, sound good, make you go and play because the type of music them, you know, not to do with the sound man, I play some good music around the environment where me they sell chicken and sitting. So when this brother now come and hear the justice the president, he look like him listen justice all him life, and the first him come out now come hear another person play justice, brother. Justice was the topic for about 2 hours, brother. I have to big up justice because I finally meet somebody where don't know him, and the person that say him are the best Jamaican to blood clot in real life. The man I said that. After all of that, I must tell you man and beat him, man. You know, say me a son man to want him to send me. But in time I say super force, he never hear about that. You understand? So a good thing you do, brother. You never know say it's so good so till somebody tell you that which part me going to pay white people in, brother. So you see a black man pull up in a car for hail him and talk to him and so on. Pay white people, brother. And you find a man who say live close around this, around the same live. 1 and 2 black people. And look like say once he go find a justice to listen to Virgin, him convince everybody say reggae music good, using justice. So that good because invalidation good because him himself can go type up justice. I just tell him, I say type in justice, man, good reggae music, man. Yeah, man, you get everything where you want, brother. So with that being said, it's a good look whatever you do if you put out that justice thing there out the road. You know what I say? Because the man never see you. Man never see your sound play. The man not even know say you clash, brother. So you ever see a justice clash yet? And a sound kill justice, man say, no sound. The man just show me a scroll by in front and say, look this. Justice play everything, man. You could look up a Justice mixtape, bro. He played the Jamaican old school that you could dance to, he played. And the man start explaining to me the Yankee way like me say me a yard man. And I'm gonna say where you come from. The man start chat back in a yard. Reggae music, a pure reggae listen to. Yeah man. A real thing man. Me rate you to the fullest road boy.
Justice. Them dead when we bust this.
People don't frighten me, Dopey don't frighten me, you know. Dopey can't frighten me because Satan know me by name. So me say, hey, me no come here so fi idle, and me no come here so fi dancehall title. Me say me come here so fi preach out the gospel. So tell a bleach out, Dopey me no frighten. Me say, you witches and warlocks, me I tell you right now, say fi dress back, cause me a one Christian who clap back, and when they clap back, clap back, clap back, clap back, clap back, clap back.
Justice. Them dead when we bust this.
No demons can't overthrow me. Ask Satan, your papa can't know me. Him bound God come to release them now, so allow me. Me come in at the name of Jesus. Anything go, me come for free that. Prayer warriors get pioneer back. Satan to the beat, me decree that.
Justice, them dead when we bust this. Aye.